The rise of AI and automation has sparked debates about the future of work. Will AI take away jobs or create new opportunities? Let's dive into the facts and predictions. Industries like manufacturing and customer service are at high risk of automation. Machines can perform repetitive tasks faster and more accurately. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI is also creating jobs in data analysis, machine learning, and AI maintenance. Upskilling is the key. Freelancers and gig workers are increasingly using AI tools for content creation, video editing, and more. This trend is creating new income streams. Learning skills like data analysis and programming can future-proof your career. Schools and universities are now focusing on AI literacy. Is it ethical for companies to replace human workers entirely? Balancing efficiency and employment is a critical issue for policymakers. The future of work with AI isn't just about job loss, it's about adaptation. Stay ahead of the curve with AI Insights. Like, share, and subscribe for more.